Picture a clock ticking over relentlessly. Now imagine that clock is counting dollars, and it just hit 33 trillion. This is not a fictional scenario, but a stark reality. The national debt, the sum of all outstanding debt owed by the federal government, has reached this staggering figure. It's like a shadow that grows with each passing second, looming over the country's economic future. This debt, held by the public and various government accounts, has become the fastest growing part of the budget. So, what does a $33 trillion national debt actually mean? Buckle up, we're diving in. To truly comprehend the magnitude of $33 trillion, we need some perspective. Imagine for a moment the combined might of the economies of China, Japan, Germany, India, and the United Kingdom. Each of these countries, powerhouses in their own right, contributing to the global economic engine. Now consider the staggering reality that the United States federal debt has now eclipsed the combined economies of these countries. Yes, you heard that right. Our national debt is more than the total economic output of these 5 nations combined. But let's bring it even closer to home. If we were to divvy up this debt among every citizen in the United States, the picture becomes even more alarming. Picture this: each man, woman, and child in the country would be saddled with a debt burden of over $100,000. That's equivalent to purchasing a small house or a luxury car, except in this case, it's a debt we didn't choose, yet we're all responsible for. This isn't simply about vast, incomprehensible numbers or abstract economic theories. This is about the fiscal future of our country, the economic stability of our families, and the world we're leaving for our children. With every US citizen owing over $100,000, it's clear this debt is not just numbers on a screen. Having a $33 trillion debt is like carrying a heavy backpack. It slows you down and makes everything harder. Picture this. You're trying to run a race, but you're weighed down by a massive burden on your back. That's the position we're in with our national debt. It's a colossal figure equivalent to the combined economies of China, Japan, Germany, India, and the United Kingdom. Imagine all those economies rolled into one. That's the size of our debt. So what does this mean for us? Well, let's start with the interest payments. They're growing faster than any other part of the budget. The money we're spending just to service the debt could be going towards essential services or investment in our futures. But instead, it's just paying off the interest. That's money down the drain, and it's only going to get worse if we don't take action. Now, let's talk about the long-term effects. If we continue down this road, we're putting our country's economic future at risk. This debt is like a ticking time bomb, and if we don't defuse it, the consequences could be dire. We're talking about a potential financial crisis, a decrease in our standard of living, and a future where our children and grandchildren are burdened with our debts. It's not a pretty picture, but let's not forget this isn't just an abstract problem. This is a problem that affects every American. Each citizen's share of the debt is around $100,000. That's right, each of us is carrying around a $100,000 debt on our shoulders. It's a sobering thought. So what can we do about it? Well, that's a complex question, and there's no easy answer, but one thing is clear. We need to start taking this issue seriously. We need to start having honest conversations about our spending and our debt. We need to start making tough decisions, and we need to start now. The national debt is not just a problem for the government, it's a problem for every American. It's a problem we all need to face together, because only together can we hope to overcome it. Knowledge is power, and understanding the national debt gives us the power to face it. It's more than just a number. It's a reflection of our nation's economic health, a measure of our collective prosperity, and a beacon pointing towards our future. It is a towering figure equivalent to the combined economies of China, Japan, Germany, India, and the United Kingdom. It's a burden that every citizen carries, a weight that grows heavier with each passing year. But this isn't a cause for despair. It's a call to action. It's a call to educate ourselves, to understand the complexities of our economy, to make informed decisions for our future. We're not just observers in this story, we're participants. We have the power to shape our economic narrative, to build a sustainable future for ourselves and for generations to come. This is why we're here at BiGPriceDrops, providing you with the knowledge you need to navigate these complex issues. So let's continue this journey together. Let's dig deeper into the world of money, saving, and economics. So don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest content. Join us on this journey to financial literacy, Like, subscribe, and stay informed. Thank you for watching.